generating ideas using divergent and convergent thinking. Stimulate creative thinking, divergent thinking, or brainstorming. It consists in creating ideas, but there are some other useful techniques that might be worth for generating ideas. We can start generating ideas through a brainstorming template that helps to plan the practice. Facilitate brainstorming implies select a facilitator. Decide on a person to lead the group through the activity. Familiarize yourself with brainstorming protocol. Present your topic. Briefly introduce the challenge you are working on. Share some of your exciting stories from your discovery phase. Introduce the rules of brainstorming. Explain its rule and its purpose to set the right tone for the activity. You can find an overview of brainstorming rules in the beginning of this section. Equip everyone for participation. Gather your team near a wall or flip chart. Give everyone a post-it pad and a marker. Encourage people to draw and be visual. Remind them to write in large letters and to note only one idea per post-it. Start with a warm-up. Choose a fun, easy, or even unrelated activity to get people in the right mood. In our example, how might we create a space innovation project? Move one by one. Post the question you are brainstorming about on the wall so everyone can see it. Ask participants to take a few minutes and write down their first ideas before starting as a group. Then facilitate the brainstorm and capture each individual idea. Keep the energy high. Provide encouragement or alternative topics if the flow of ideas slows down. Switch to a new brainstorm question every 15 or 20 minutes. Throw out some wild ideas yourself. Remind your team of the rules if needed. Set a goal for how many ideas you want to generate in total. Facilitate brainstorming means, well, there are a lot of techniques to generate ideas, but the key is to ask questions that suggest ideas and enrichment not only individually, but also collectively. We have already learned these techniques like how might we questions, or ask questions like ask what, how, why, answer the 5 whys, or answer the 6 whys. Use questions. What can research or invent about this space? And what problem does it solve, or objectives or challenges can I develop? Where and when will my ideas be used? How can I improve this idea? What do I need to make this idea work? Develop how might we questions. How might we improve this? What if we try to do this? Now, combine with other techniques. Ask what, how, and why questions. Answer the 5 whys or answer the 6 whys. Brainstorming template. Facilitate the brainstorming. In practice, let's write the ideas suggested in a template with the students. Select promising ideas with others. To get a sense of which brainstorming ideas generate excitement, let everyone on the team vote on their favorites while they are still fresh in their minds. Steps to follow. Cluster the ideas. Spend a few minutes immediately after brainstorming session grouping together similar ideas. Vote for favorite ideas. Discuss the results. Count the votes and determine the most popular ideas. Now, select promising ideas in a template. Let's put into a paper the works suggested with the students. Do a real check now. How can we do it? Find out what your ideas really is about. List constraints. Brainstorm new solutions. Then revisit your list of constraints. Brainstorm how you might address some of these challenges. For example, how could we innovate to learn from space and at the same time invent things that we do not yet exist in this space. Evolve your idea. Discuss how you can change your concept based on your new ideas. Archive ideas. Reject ideas that you feel are too difficult to create or that you are not excited about. Keep your post-its and notes so you can revisit them later. Now, describe your idea. With your team, use a large sheet of paper to summarize your idea. Use the following structure to describe the most important aspects. Evolve your summary. Change and adjust your concept description continuously as you prototype and iterate your idea. Keep it in a place that is visible to all team members. Follow the next steps. First, choose a title for your idea. Second, summarize your idea in a single sentence. Third, describe how your idea could work. Fourth, name the people it involves, both to build as well as to use it. 5. Explain the needs and opportunities identified through field research. 6. Illustrate the value and benefit for each person involved. And 7. List questions and challenges. Brainstorming synthesis template. Pick one of the favorite ideas from the brainstorming and flesh out the concept through. Synthesize your ideas with the other students in the class to make challenges or transform objectives in results.